Hello everyone, how are you? I'm so glad, thankful for all the love you have shown to my courses, webinar and events. Today I'm here to ask you, do you want to create six-figure income within 6 months? If yes, then I have come with a perfect opportunity for you. I'm organizing 2 days event called Life and Wealth Mastery. Where? I will be meeting you all alive in New Delhi, India. Why you should attend this event? I know you're asking yourself. Let me ask you, when was the last time you achieved what you truly wanted? Understanding that you have everything inside you that you need to succeed in the first place. Step towards fulfillment. If you want to master the area in your life, this is an event for you. Attend this event if you want to work on any challenge in your life, be it business, relationship, confidence, or anything else. Through chakra healing, you can understand the root cause of all your problems and to permanently remove it. Let me cut in the short for you. Attending this event will be one of the best decisions of your life. So register now to meet me alive in New Delhi. I'm looking forward to see you alive. Thank you very much. Always remember, if you love yourself, who will love you?